Acumatica brings adaptable cloud and mobile technology with a real-time view of your business anytime, anywhere. Hi, I'm Chris from Lightspeed Voice, and today we're going to be going over our integration with Acumatica.
This integration allows you to receive call pop-ups on inbound and outbound calls, call details loaded into Acumatica automatically, quick access to call recordings, and more. To get started, let's set up Lightspeed Voice's Orbit application on your computer. You can easily download it by clicking the gear icon in Quantum and choosing Download Orbit. After installing the software, you will need to enter your login credentials from Lightspeed Voice. To integrate with Acumatica, click on your icon, select Integrations from the drop-down menu, and then click the plus icon. This will direct you to the Integration Setup page within Quantum. In Quantum, you can find integrations under Management, Lead Settings, and Integrations. To set up a new integration, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then enter the integration name as Acumatica and select Acumatica as the vendor. Let's now determine which users in your office should have access to this integration. To do this, under the Users section, click the toggle button next to the name of any user you want to grant access. If you want to grant access to all users, click on the Select All option and then click on the three dots to assign them all at once. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll need to authenticate your connection to Acumatica. To gather this information, we'll need to go over to your Acumatica dashboard. Navigate to Integration, Show All, and then Connected Applications. Click in the Client Name box, enter Lightspeed, and under the drop-down for Authorization 2.0 Flow, select Authorization Code. Now click the Add Shared Secret button. A new box will open for you to enter the description, which can just be Lightspeed. Copy the value that appears in this box and paste it into a separate text document that will make it easy to access later in the setup. Then click OK. Click the Redirect Subs tab, then click the plus button. You'll need to input the link you see on the screen now into this field. After inputting the link, press Enter, and then click Save along the top. Highlight and copy the client ID. Save this into a separate text document as we did earlier. Now, if we return to Lightspeed Voice, we can input your Acumatica credentials using the details you saved above, and then establish the connection between Lightspeed Voice. Before you can start receiving call pop-ups, you'll need to scroll down a bit and adjust your Orbit call pop settings. This can be done on the Integration page as well as in the Orbit application under Integrations. You can choose from 4 options: None, Inbound, Outbound, and All. You'll also need to enable triggers in this section below to activate them. It is recommended you enable all of them to fully utilize the integration. Scrolling back up, you can customize the field searched in Acumatica when searching for contact, customer, lead, or vendor information. Below that, you have options to choose if you want call pop-ups for all these contact types, and if you want integration data logged on all of them, such as call details, recordings, and more. When I answer the incoming call, the Acumatica application will appear, taking me directly to the caller's information. After the call is over, you'll see details explicitly related to this call, including a link to the call recording. And if you're using Lightspeed Voice's AI features, the call sentiment and summary will automatically be added to the details. You can access text and email exchanges with this contact so that all communication can easily be found in one place.
If you'd like to know more about our integration with Acumatica, give us a call at 877-97-VOICE or email us at info@lightspeedvoice.com. Let us show you why we're more than just talk.